Welcome back to Noir Velocity. What if I told you that one of Toyota's smallest SUVs could end up making the biggest impact in 2027? Meet the all-new 2027 Toyota Yaris Cross, a compact crossover that looks sharper, feels smarter, and promises to deliver everything modern drivers want in a stylish daily SUV. Whether you're searching for premium design, advanced technology, impressive fuel efficiency, or everyday practicality, this latest Yaris Cross might just surprise you. So buckle up, because this compact SUV is aiming far beyond its size. The first thing you'll notice is the dramatic new exterior. Toyota has completely transformed the front end with ultra-slim LED daytime running lights, a futuristic grille design, sculpted body lines, and an aggressive bumper that gives the Yaris Cross a far more premium appearance. The floating black roof, panoramic glass roof, sharp character lines, and sporty alloy wheels create a look that's modern without trying too hard. Even standing still, the SUV has a confident presence that feels inspired by much larger luxury crossovers. Around the sides, the proportions are clean and athletic, while the rear features a sleek full-width LED light bar, a redesigned spoiler, and a sporty lower diffuser that completes the premium look. It's compact enough for crowded city streets, but stylish enough to turn heads wherever it goes. Toyota has clearly focused on making this SUV feel upscale without sacrificing practicality. Under the hood, expectations are high for Toyota's latest hybrid technology. Depending on the market, the 2027 Yaris Cross is expected to feature an updated 1.5-liter hybrid powertrain delivering smoother acceleration, improved efficiency, and lower emissions. Power delivery feels refined, making city driving effortless while still offering enough confidence for highway cruising. Early expectations suggest a 0 to 100 km/h time of around 9.5 seconds, striking a nice balance between efficiency and everyday performance. Instead of a loud exhaust, you'll hear Toyota's signature refined hybrid sound, quiet during city driving with a smooth engine note when accelerating harder. It's not built to be a sports SUV, but it delivers a relaxed and confident driving experience that perfectly matches its purpose. Step inside, and the cabin feels like a major leap forward. Premium soft-touch materials, beautifully stitched ivory white leather seats, and a minimalist dashboard immediately create a more sophisticated atmosphere. The redesigned seats provide excellent comfort for long journeys, while generous headroom and legroom make both front and rear passengers feel at home. The elevated driving position gives you outstanding visibility, making daily commuting and weekend adventures equally enjoyable. The driver-focused cockpit is packed with technology. A large, fully digital instrument cluster displays everything you need with crisp graphics, while the latest high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. Voice commands, cloud-connected navigation, over-the-air software updates, wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and a premium JBL sound system elevate the experience even further. Toyota has also refined the user interface, making every menu quicker and easier to use than before. Safety remains one of Toyota's biggest strengths, and the new Yaris Cross continues that tradition. Expect the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, automatic emergency braking, cyclist and pedestrian detection, parking sensors, a 360-degree camera, and advanced driver assistance features designed to make every journey safer and less stressful. When it comes to value, this is where the Yaris Cross could become one of the strongest contenders in the compact SUV segment. Depending on trim and market, pricing is expected to start around $28,000 to $35,000 USD, offering premium styling, hybrid efficiency, advanced safety, and modern technology at a price that undercuts many premium competitors. Lower running costs and Toyota's reputation for long-term reliability only make the package even more attractive. So is the 2027 Toyota Yaris Cross worth waiting for? Absolutely. It combines bold new styling, smart hybrid performance, premium comfort, cutting-edge technology, and Toyota's legendary dependability into one incredibly well-rounded SUV. If you're looking for a compact crossover that feels more expensive than it actually is, the new Yaris Cross deserves a place at the very top of your shortlist. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Noir Velocity, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest automotive reveals, future concepts, and in-depth car reviews. Now tell me in the comments, would you choose the 2027 Toyota Yaris Cross over rivals like the Honda HR-V, Hyundai Kona, or Mazda CX-30?